Hi, today I have a very interesting and old Euro cylinder. It's made in Yugoslavia, so it's you can see the key, it's made in Yugoslavia. I hope you can see that. BSS, it's Bane Sekulic Sombor. And I know this is the older model because the keys like this. The newer key are like square-like. I already picked the newer model, new old model in video number 1, I think. You can check that video. And here's the key, the beading. It's very flat. It's not that good, and usually they don't have security pins. Here's the Euro cylinder. I think I found it like this, so it's a very beaten one. It was here. Hopefully you can see BSS Made in Yugoslavia, the triangle, and it's working. And so it's catching a lot, but it's a very old lock, and hopefully I can pick it, and hopefully I remember correctly it was without any security pins. So let's try to pick it. I will use this old Chinese pick. So yeah, let's try to do this. 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, 4 small click, 5-0. Let's go back. 4, 3, 2. It's binding or it's set. No, the leak from 2 and we're open. That is what is happening when you have this kind of a very bad beading. It's a 5-pin lock, and it's yeah, I don't know, still till this day I think they're not they never put security pins. I don't know why, but yeah, it is what it is. So let me try to disassemble this one. So I disassembled it. So as you can see, it's everything is standard. All the pins are the standard pins. Key pins standard, drivers the standard, springs are the same. So nothing special. Here's the core. So even it's old, it's in pretty okay condition, to be honest. And here's the body. So a lot of dirt. So yeah, standard. This side you cannot even see the logo. So yeah, this was a Euro cylinder, old Yugoslavian lock, BSS Made in Yugoslavia, Bane Sekulic Sombor. Picked and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.